A people without destiny are like rivers without source, drifting, forgotten, and powerless. But we, the Anioma people, we are not forgotten. We are the blood of warriors, the breath of queens, the soul of nations yet to rise.
We have waited, endured, contributed to Nigerians' growth, yet we remain without our rightful place in the Federation. Now the time has come to rise, to speak, to demand Anioma State. Anioma is not just a region, it is a destiny, a state waiting to be born, a voice waiting to be heard. And that voice is you, the youth, the hope, the engine of our tomorrow.
History is not written by those who wait. It is written by those who act. On December 6th, 2025, we come together. We gather not just to celebrate the Igbo greatness, but to chart a new course. The course for Anioma State. Join the movement at St. Patrick's College, Asaba, for the first ever Igbo Unity Carnival and Cultural Festival,
hosted by the United Kingdom of Igbo Nation.
Come dressed in your culture. Come with your voice. Come with your dream. Because when the people rise, the leaders, they listen. This is not just a festival. It is a gathering of purpose, a rallying cry, a homecoming. United Kingdom of Great Igbo Nation. Unity is power. Igwe BK. Together we build. Together we rise. Together we create Anioma State. Join us December 6, 2025, 12 noon at St. Patrick's College, Asaba, Delta State. Igbo Unity Carnival and Cultural Festival.